There we go, we found Joe's new car. As you might have seen at the end of the last video, we ended up buying the Bora. Basically, the quick details is, the car was solid enough, it had basically everything wanted, it was reasonably priced and condition-wise okay. We argued, or we negotiated with the dealer on two accounts. One being the AC not blowing all that cold, probably needing a recharge, but being otherwise fine, I guess. Two, timing belt, unknown age, well, known age actually. Timing belt being 12 years old and like 110 years, something like that. 7 years old and 120,000 kilometers old. So we told him we would do that, we would want to do that, and he actually offered to do it for a cost, obviously. And he said 270 euros from the top of his head is the price he's going to charge to do the timing belt, a water pump, and an oil service, and top of the fluids, obviously. And we decided, sounds good. Yeah, so we ended up telling him, go do that, made a down payment, and he told me he's going to do that, take care of it. And I ended up picking it up a couple of days later with a new timing belt, new oil service, new water pump, and topped off cooling and oil and everything, and power steering I think he topped off because apparently it was a little bit low. Anyway, car was picked up, so what's next? Well, handing it over to Joe, I guess, isn't it? Well, actually, I kinda had some fun in advance with reusing some EOS parts to fix something, or try to fix something on the Bora. So that's what we're going to pick up now, and then we're going to give it to Joe. So since the remote on the Bora doesn't work, well, I'm going to try a battery, but I'm not sure about that. I decided to put a battery in, but noticing that the old housing was like glued together and mangled open at some point. So I'm gonna look if I can't use some EOS parts to make it look a little bit nicer, you know? At least compared to what it was before. And yeah, I'm considering seeing if this is compatible if I swap this around. But I don't want to take this out because it's heat staked and I can't really easily fix that again. I don't know. I'll see if I can find some footage or some pictures of these apart compared to the electronics on the 3-key button, if these 2 keys happen to be in the same spot or not, and it's just an empty pad in the middle. And if not, I'm probably just gonna omit this part and just give him this, because it looks a lot better than well, this grubby, broken, glue residue thing. There we go, it looks much better. I swapped the bottom part here. This is the old one. This has the keyring attachment point still on it. It's from the EOS. And I gave Joe one of these from my collection that I bought for the EOS key swap. And yeah, I mean, looks like already... Okay, it doesn't look great. It still looks like an old key, but like a slightly nicer old key. That's all that matters, right? Also, it was free. Doesn't get much cheaper than that.
Sure.
So, we have a Joe and a garage.
This is Joe's new car, he hasn't seen it yet.
What a shit
S-Box.
What a shit box.
I'll make a big splash.
It's perfect.
I'll make a big splash.
It's a shit box.
Yes, it is.
Not really very rusty. Shit box.
So, oh yeah, let's try to do the remote thingy. What was it that I looked up with the remote? Because, okay, so just the battery didn't do the trick. What What did it say? I read something about
something.
press both buttons or something. No, press like.
Maybe Google it.
Yeah, let's Google that. Okay, we're skipping the key part for now. Joe is just inspecting. Fire the thing up. Get it outside, huh? You want to get it outside?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell it's a diesel, Joe?
And it's a long grass that is together.
Yes, that works.
Yep.
Inside this stuff together.
Timing belt, oil change.
Yeah. It's a vehicle.
Yes. Yeah. Let's just see better days.
Wondering if the summer tires are a little better in terms of age.
Oh, I didn't check, yeah.
Oh, brilliant.
Oh, yeah.
Brilliantus.
Yeah, they're all no-name random things.
Yes.
There's like 2 better ones and 2
Yeah.
worse ones.
Give it one. No, I don't think it's
Bora TDI 4motion.
Yeah. It's a car. I already hate that stupid dopey mirror on the right hand side. I remember that from my old Golf.
Yeah.
It's not a Golf, by the way.
No.
And it's horrible, and I have to fix that.
Test drive. There we go. We found Joe's new car. There, and we took it for a first test drive. And yeah. Anyway, first 10 seconds of driving.
It's awesome.
Good.
It's the best 1,600 euros I think I've spent outside of buying every other car that I've bought for under 1,600 euros. It's a beater and I love it.
Cool.
And now I need to raise it, put some bigger tires on it, off-road tires, roof racks, big light bar, and then drive it 100,000 kilometers off-road.
Sounds like a plan.
Yep.
Let's get started on that, huh? Off-road testing right away, because why wait? He's already giggling. We already did some 4-wheel drifting.
Definitely four-wheel.
Yes, definitely 4-wheel. Noticeably.
Big turn around here. Holy shit.
You stalled it.
Yeah.
I mean, it got up there, but you kind of stalled it.
Yeah, I'm just like a little bit nervous about the.
Fans is here.
I'm just a little bit nervous about like what.
Ripping the bumper off?
Yeah, go have a look.
Let's have a look. Yeah. Yeah. That was you smacking the bumper into the hill, basically. Especially when it stalled and just took nose dove. Yep, all-wheel drive. All the wheels, all the drive. Definitely all-wheel drive. Let's go. You having fun, Joe?
Yeah, it's great to have a car you don't give a shit about anymore. It actually works a lot better than when you don't drop it and you like really aggressively just let it off. It's great. What are we doing, like 70 off-road?
Feels nice and comfy.
Yeah.
Suspension works,
Yeah.
like, really well, I think.
Yeah. It is. I mean, it's exactly what basically what happened to you. You looked at the car and you couldn't. You were like, it's a car. It does everything car-like.
Yeah, it's not broken. It doesn't feel wrong. It just feels fine.
Yeah.
You know, it shifts fine. It handles fine. Suspension seems fine. It's just fine.
Yep. There is a little flat spot in it. That's the only thing I can feel.
I think it has set a while. I think it's set quite a while between the previous owner and now.
Yeah. Probably.
Anyway, another happy customer. He's grinning.
Shit boxes.
Cheap shit boxes, please.
Cheap shit boxes, the best.
So as you can see, we made it back home to my place. Car is doing just fine. Joe's happy with it so far. Autobahn fine, cruise control works. Mild wobble, probably from the old tires, but
Brakes are
yeah,
a little bit, but they work. So car stops.
yeah. Car starts, car stops, car turns, car drives.
Car
So-
launches on dirt.
Yeah, car launches in dirt. Important. Yeah. We're gonna go home, drink something, and the next time you're gonna see this car is probably, well, either never or Joe driving home in it. So, say bye to the Bora.
Bye, Bora. It's not a Golf.
So let's see. Good morning. Good morning, Ralph. Yes, its name is Ralph. It's currently, let's check my phone. It's 6:55 a.m. Oh my god, it's way too early. I just happened to wake up. So it's time to see if Ralph will. Oh, it's even got the correct time on it. That's brilliant. So dashboard has correct time. Jesus Christ, it's loud. And it definitely needs some new wiper blades, but on the way. I'm gonna go check out Benny's Ford, but that's 3 hours away, so I'm tired. Let's get going. Let's get going. Hey everyone, just seeing if it'll rated top speed. I mean, it seems to be doing okay. A bit loud. 184 according to the GPS. Of course I can't show you the GPS. So it feels like it's a bit down on power, but after 295,000 kilometers, you'd expect that. This country can be incredibly beautiful when at the right time of day, in the right circumstances. 188 on the GPS. Yeah, that's fine. 189. We'll do 190. I think it was rated to 192. Cruise. He did.
Sinky holing. You really do. You feel the forward drive working then.
Well, as you can see, Joe already took it off-roading at home, and he also already ordered new brakes and is looking at tires and the roof rack, and yeah, one new cheap car found a new happy owner. See you in the next video.